Hi, I want to show you how to turn on and off flashlight on Google Pixel 9a. The first way is to unlock your phone and then swipe down from top right corner to trigger control center. After that, you should see flashlight on the top. But if not, you can swipe down again to see more detailed control center, and now you should see flashlight. So now it's off because we can see status off and the icon itself is gray, right? So to turn it on, we just need to tap on the icon and now it's working. The next way is on your lock screen, also swipe down from top right corner and again toggle on and off switch for the flashlight. And the last way is to set gesture. So go in settings, find System tab in this list, and after that select gestures. From here choose this first section, quick tap to start action, and turn it on by toggle on the switch. Now from the list you need to choose toggle flashlight. As you can see, we need to double tap back part of the phone to use this gesture. Let's try this out. I'm gonna just try to double tap on the back part of the phone. And yep, now it's working. Let's try to turn it off with the help of double tapping. And it's working as well. As you can see, it's not smooth, but it's still working, so you can use it. That's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.